Hi everyone, hope you are enjoying your snow day today. If you get some time, I hope you get to make it outside, maybe play in some of this fresh snow a little bit. But for the most part, just staying warm. So today we're doing things a little different with our snow day. Instead of doing a Zoom meeting and just checking in a little bit, we are deciding to do just an online video. This allows you the opportunity to kind of come on whenever you want and check into what we're doing. It also allows you to pause and rewind and fast forward. Just kind of lets you go at your own pace and rewind if you need a little more of a recap, need help understanding something. Just something that adds a little bit more flexibility to our learning during these snow days. So to get started, we're going to be talking about money. So let's take a few seconds to think about, why is money important? Why do we need money? Give you a couple seconds. So we need money actually in order to buy anything. You go to a basketball or volleyball game, you need some cash to buy concessions. You sometimes need cash just to get into the game. You go to Target or Walmart and you see a toy that you want. Well, you need money if you want to buy that toy. So that is why we need money, but also we need to make money. We need to make money through different jobs that we have. Sometimes you guys do chores around the house. It helps you make allowance. This sometimes gives you that spending money to get a game or a toy at a store, or else get concessions at a game. So that is why money is important and why we need to have a general understanding of it. So today we're going to have certain amounts of money, and we need to sometimes get change with that money. But we want to try to have as little change as possible. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like having a whole bunch of coins in my pocket. So I want to try to have as little change as possible rather than a whole bunch of pennies or just all dimes. Okay, so here behind me, I've got different types of money. Here I've got $1. We would write that out as $1. Okay, this is the start of our green bill. This is our smallest bill that we have got. Next, we go to our biggest coin. So if you look at any coins that you have at home, the biggest circle one that you have with the eagle on the back, that is going to be your quarter. That is worth 25 cents. Okay, that is a quarter. Next, this is probably the smallest coin we have, but it's not worth the least amount of money. So this one is going to be our dime, and it's got the little flame that the Statue of Liberty would hold up and two plants next to it. So that is going to be worth 10 cents. Okay, then we have a coin that is about in the middle of these two for size-wise, but it has the character on the front that has a little braid in the back. That's how I choose to decipher who this one is. Okay, this one is our nickel. Our nickels are worth 5 cents. Okay, also on the back of this one, we can see it says 5 cents right on the back of our coin. This also says 1 dime, and here it says $0.25. Okay, that helps us tell us what each coin is worth. Then finally, we've got our penny, which we know those are coppers. So that's how we decipher between those, and those are 1 cent. Okay, so now we've got our different types of money. We understand what they are. We've got our dollar, our quarter, our dime, our nickel, and our penny. Okay, so now let's go through and say that we're getting some change, and we want as little of coins as possible for this change. So let's start out. I am given 48 cents of change. So I have 48 cents. Okay, so with my 48 cents, I want to look for the biggest coin I can use first to take up the most amount. Can I use $1 when I get back 48 cents? No, I can't. $1 is too much, right? What about 25 cents? Does 25 cents go into 48 cents? It does. Let's subtract. So I'm going to take my 45 and I'm going to subtract 25 cents. Okay. What is 8 minus 5? 3. 4 minus 2? 2. Okay, so now I've got 23 cents. And I'm going to write over here, I'm just going to put a Q for quarter to show I used 1 quarter. Okay, now I've got 23. Can I use another quarter? Nope, I can't, because 25 is bigger than 23. So I'm going to have to go down now. What's my next coin that I could use? A dime. how much is a dime worth again? 10 cents. There we go. So we're going to subtract 10 from 23. What is 3 minus 0? We get 3. 2 minus 1? We get 1. Okay, so that's a dime. So I'm going to draw a D next to that one. Okay? So now I'm at 13 cents. Can I put another dime into my 13? Absolutely I can. 13 is bigger than 10, or 13 is bigger than 10. So I'm running out of room here, so I'm just going to bring mine up here, and I'll draw my arrow so that we know where I'm at. Okay, so I have my 13. I'm going to subtract 10 one more time. What is 3 minus 0? 3. What is 1 minus 1? We get 0. Okay, so again, I'm going to put a D here because that is my dime. Okay? Can I do 10 cents again? Can I do another dime? Nope, because I only have 3 cents left. How about a nickel? Nope, because a nickel is 2 cents more than my 3 cents. So what does that leave me left with? All I have left to use are my pennies. So if I have 1 and 1 and 1, how many pennies does that give me? That's 3 pennies because I have 3 cents. So I'm going to have 1 penny, 2 penny, 3 penny. Okay, so my answer for how many coins can I have for 48 cents, it would be 1 quarter. I put 1 Q. 1, 2 dimes. Okay, so we'll have 2 dimes. And then 3 pennies. So I'm just going to put 3P. Okay? If you are confused or anything, please feel free to pause the video. Go back, rewatch it, okay? See where maybe it got confusing. And then try to understand a little bit more. If it's still confusing, guess what? You can ask me again at school next day, okay? I will gladly help you with this. Okay, let's try to do maybe a little bit easier of one, okay? So we got our 48 cents one. That one was pretty big to start with. So I'm going to erase all this. Okay, this next number we're going to do is a little bit smaller, maybe a little bit easier, okay? We are going to do 16 cents, okay? So I'm going to start, I have my 16 cents up here. Okay, can I put $1 in 16 cents? Nope, because that's too big. Remember, $1 is 100 pennies, 100 cents, too much, too big. How about 25 cents? Nope, again, 25 cents is a lot bigger than 16 cents. Can't do that one. How about 10 cents? Can I do that one? Can I fit 10 in 16? Yes, I can. Let's see how much I have left over. So we're going to take 16 minus 10. What is 6 minus 0? We get 6. How about 1 minus 1? 0. We got nothing left then. Okay, so again, I'm going to write my D next to it so I know that that's a dime. Okay, now, can I do another 10 cents for these 6 cents? Nope, I can't. 10 is too big. What about 5? Does 5 fit into 6? It does. Okay, so let's subtract it. Let's subtract 6 minus 5. What do I get? That's right, 1. Look at you. So here, I've got a nickel that I used for my 5 cents, and I've got 1 left. What coin do we know that is only worth 1 cent? That's right, the penny. The penny is only worth 1 cent. So I've got 1 cent left over, so I know it has to be a penny, right? There's my penny. Okay, so in order for 16 cents to have the least amount of coins for my change, I am going to need 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 1 penny. Okay, that is going to be my change. Okay? So now what I want you to do, I hope you have a blank sheet of paper next to you or a piece of notebook paper, okay? What I want you to do is, I'm going to give you another problem, and I want you to pause the video and take a second to solve it on your own. Okay, so the coins that we get, the change that we get, is going to be 81 cents. Okay, I've got 81 cents. So again, pause the video. I want you to look through. Does $1 fit in 81 cents? Does 25 cents fit in it? Does 10 cents fit in it? Okay, go through every coin and see if it fits. But remember, you have to take this big number and subtract whatever coin you are doing. Keep track of how many coins you use too, okay? All right, pause the video right here, and I want you to take as long as you need to finish this problem. All right, pause it. Okay, so you've pressed play now, so that must mean that you've gotten it solved. Okay, so we're gonna come back together now, and we're gonna solve it together. Let's follow our work and see what we learned, okay? So I've got 81 cents. Does $1 fit in 81 cents? Nope, that's too big. How about 25 cents? Does that fit into 81? Yes, it does. All right, so let's subtract 25. Can I take 1 minus 5? No, I can't because I don't have enough to take it from, right? So I need to borrow from my 8. So remember, when we borrow, I'm going to cross off my 8, make it a 7, and I'm going to put my magic 1 right next to this one. Okay? What is 11 minus 5? That is going to be 6. You are right. How about 7 minus 2? That's right, 5. Okay, so we got 5 now. Okay, so that's been 1/4. Remember, we got to keep track of that. All right, can I do 25 again into 56? Yes, I can. So let's take 56 minus another 25. Can I take 6 minus 5? Yes, I can. I've got 1. How about 5 minus 2? Yep, we get 3 from that one. And again, that is another 1/4 that we use. So I'm gonna make sure I keep track of that, okay? Let's keep going, we're not at 0 yet. Does 25 fit into 31 again? Yes, it does. So let's subtract 25 again, okay? So I'm gonna take 31 minus 25 again. What is 1 minus 5? Can I do that? You're right, I can't. So again, I'm gonna borrow from my 3, make it a 2, and put my magic 1 in front. What's 11 minus 5? Well, I know from up here, it's gonna be 6 again. Okay, so we got 6. What's 2 minus 2? We get a 0. Okay, so again, I have another 1/4 there. Okay, I'm starting to run out of room, so I'm gonna bring my 6 up here. Bring him up here. Okay, so I've got 6. Does 25 fit into 6? Nope, it's too big. How about 10? Does 10 fit into 6? That's too big too. How about 5? Does 5 fit into 6? Yes, it does. So let's subtract 5 from 6. What do I get left over? I get 1. I'm going to mark that I used a nickel. And 1 cent is equal to what? My penny. Okay, so my answer on this one, I have 1, 2, 3/4. So I'm going to write 3/4, 1 nickel, and then 1 penny is what I'm going to use. Okay? So that's not too bad. Again, if you're confused or anything, you can go back and re-watch some of these videos. Okay? That's all I've got for you today with dealing with money. I do have a secret assignment for you though. If you've watched the video up until this point, you'll know about the secret assignment. I need you to solve 93 cents in change for me. So just like what we've been doing, but instead do it with 93 cents, okay? If you complete this on a blank sheet of paper and you bring it in to me tomorrow or the next day that we have school, you'll get credit for today, okay? That's my super secret assignment. And guess what? You might get a special treat too if you complete this, okay? I hope you guys enjoy your snow day and have a great rest of your day. Look forward to seeing your secret assignments. Bye, guys.